Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nay. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by for one of our 31 days of Halloween. I really hope you guys are enjoying this series. Today I show you how I get this Saw inspired makeup look. So if you want to see how I got this, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe so that way you don't miss out on any of these fun Halloween tutorials. Alright, let's just go ahead and get right on into it. Alright, so my face is already done from today. But I went ahead and contoured with this Profusion contour palette, and I'm literally just, contouring my cheekbones on both sides as well as my forehead. You know the drill. The same old thing that we always do. Now, taking a blending brush and some black shadow, I'm mapping out the hollows of my cheeks, or I guess defining my cheekbone a little bit, you would say, and I go in and blend that baby out a couple of times just till I get it how I like. Taking an eyeshadow brush, I'm flipping it on its side and making that line a little bit more defined and going back and blending that out. I also take that fluffy brush down the bridges of my nose and contour my forehead as well, so that way we can go ahead and tie the look together. And yeah, can't forget your little chinny chin chin, so I went ahead and contoured that baby as well. Now for the hardest part of the tutorial, these little spirals. So I took some red water activated paint and a tiny little brush and started doing these spirals on my cheekbones. I did mess up on the second one, but that is okay. I went in with some concealer, patted it out with my finger, set it with powder, and then did the little spiral again, and it worked out. It is okay. So yeah, that's what you see me doing here, just fixing my mistakes. So now onto lips. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills American Doll, and I'm just filling in my lips with this color. It is the most gorgeous red. I love wearing it. It is absolutely one of my favorite lipsticks that I own. Now, making our little clown-like smile, I'm taking a little tiny brush and flicking out the edges of my lips to make them appear as if we are smirking. So that's what you see me do here. Now, with a brow pencil, I'm just sketching out our little doll mouth, I guess you would say. So I'm just marking that out. Then I go back and blend it out with my finger. I do this a couple of times until I get it how I like. So here I am just darkening it up again. And then I go in with some black eyeshadow and start to shade the inside of it just to give it the illusion that, our little mouth opens and closes as if a doll's mouth would. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. And then once I'm done shading, I go in with some black water activated paint, go over those lines, and then I go back in with the black eyeshadow and shade it in a little bit more. And yeah, now we are on to the fun part after we contour our chin, because that's very important. Taking some black water activated paint, I am just running that down my neck and over my shoulder a little bit, and I'm starting to create our little clown-like collar. So I do alternate colors between black and red. It does take me a second to get my desired opacity, so I did go over these guys a couple of times, but you see me here just creating that clown-like collar. I really thought that this was a unique take on the Saw, makeup. So here I am just filling that baby in, and this was actually quite fun. The funnest part of the tutorial, I think. So yeah, here I am just filling that in. So this part kind of cut off, but what I'm doing is I'm taking the opposite color and running it over, making little lines, dragging it out on the end. I do adjust the camera in a second so you will be able to see what I did there, but yeah, that's just what I'm doing. So now taking some black shadow, I am just shading on the inside of our little red lines here, our red stripes down our neck. But yeah, I'm just shading that to give it the illusion as if it is actually sitting on top of our neck. So these little details are kind of minute, but they do matter in the long run. It gives it a very cool effect. So that is what I am doing right here. once I am done with that, I literally just went ahead and filled in our little mouth again, shaded that baby on in, and I thought that that really completed the look. So yeah, you guys, that is the final result. I really hope you enjoyed my take on this Saw-inspired makeup look. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that little notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any of my videos. I'm having a whole lot of fun with this series. So comment down below. Let me know what kind of looks you guys want to see. I would love to hear your input. Alright, peace and love to you always, and I will see you in the next one. See you later, alligator. Bye!